Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export your edit in CapCut. So we're going to launch the app real quick. I have a footage here, best Dolby Vision 12K HDR on 20 FPS. So now I'm going to post it on the track 1 and start editing. So as you can see, I've put it on the track and I'm waiting for it to process. So you can get and see, because I downloaded the video from YouTube. So I'm just trying to make a few changes, even though I'm not going to post it. So I'm just going to show you how you export your edit in CapCut. So once you're done editing, as you can see, I'm doing my editing very fast, very quick. I had some background forest music, some birds are chirping, some environmental stuff. So after that, I'm going to add the scenery. This is a filter. I really like the Maldives one. Yeah, the Maldives. Let's go to Maldives. So yeah, with the Ocean, I just put it there. I'm going to let it run. Then see how it feels. I'm gonna adjust it just right up here. And then voila. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on export. I'm gonna name my file, name my video file. Remember the video that I was editing was 1080, so you're gonna maintain the same resolution. Don't go high or lower, because it's gonna adjust the video. The bitrate I'll put it higher, then frame rate just leave it as easy. So higher, then I'm gonna click on export, and voila, we're done. The video will export and you find the done video after some time. Thank you so much.